Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a meal prep idea using tilapia fillets. First, I'm going to give my tilapia fillets a rough chop. These are thawed out. And once you have them all chopped up, you're going to just take your knife and go over it just to try to make it as small as you can using your knife. I usually do this in a food processor, but I also wanted to show that it's possible to do it without the food processor because not everybody has a food processor. I currently do not have a food processor anymore, so I just wanted to do it this way also. And to that we're going to add a half a cup of chopped red onion, a half a cup of red bell pepper, and this was about 6 tilapia fillets, okay? 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and season to your own personal taste, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 2 egg whites, and you can give this a mix with your hands, but I'm going to use a fork. Use whatever you want. Your hands, your fork. You're still going to use your hands, so just use whatever you want. It's your choice. Okay, once you have all this mixed, you're going to go ahead and line a cookie sheet with some aluminum or parchment paper, whatever you want to use, and spray it a little bit with some coconut oil. And make little balls and like push them down a little bit just so they can make some, patties. And you want to make them all of similar size, that way they cook evenly. And you're going to bake this at 350 for about 7 to 10 minutes. It all depends on the size of your chop of the tilapia, so the time will vary. And I did make these in a toaster oven because I don't like using my oven because the weather is really hot, so I made them in my toaster oven. So it might take less time in my toaster oven or more time, I don't know. Just check on them. You'll know they're ready when they're nice and brown and toasty. And there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.